Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing VS Code and Git, then sign into GitHub so credentials are ready. Open your project folder and launch the integrated terminal with Control+ to keep everything in one place. Now initialize a local repo with Git in it, create a README. MD, stage files with Git add, and commit. This gets your workspace tracked. Once done, add the GitHub remote and push to set the upstream branch so Git and GitHub stay in sync. You create a feature branch to isolate work. Git checkout bfeature/name. This prevents breaking main. Use VS Code source control pane to review diffs, stage hunks, and write clear commit messages. That visual feedback helps prevent mistakes. Periodically run git pull rebase or fetch and merge to integrate remote updates, and if conflicts appear, use the editor to resolve them line by line. Once your branch is clean, push it to GitHub so you can open a pull request or share progress. You open a pull request on GitHub to merge your feature into main, explain why the change matters, and request reviewers. After feedback, make updates locally, then rebase or merge to keep history tidy, squash commits if you need a single change. Once tests pass and reviews approve, merge on GitHub. If your push is rejected because history diverged, pull the remote, resolve conflicts, and only force push when you understand the impact. This prevents accidental data loss and keeps collaborators informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.